Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cut back banana plants, how to trim your banana plants. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Yeah, a lot of people may be asking, can you indeed cut back banana plants or can you trim them? Well, the answer is yes, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to cut back your banana plants. And also within this video I'll show you how quickly the banana plants recover after being trimmed, after being cut back. So stick with it and you'll get to see how quickly the banana plants recover from being cut back. Our banana plants are doing so well, they've reached the top of the roof and they're creating too much darkness within the house. So this year I'm going to cut them all back and I'm going to show you how quickly they recover and spurt back into life. So stay with us, because in this video I'm going to show you the cutting process, and I'm also going to show you how quickly the bananas grow back after being cut back. Okay guys, so I'm going to cut it to about 1 metre high at the front, and I'll get a little bit taller towards the back. So just with a saw, it's as simple as that. Surprising how heavy they are. I've filled up the water. It looks pretty severe guys, but you'll be surprised how well the bananas grow back. That's the big boy. Okay, that's the big boy. So I think we're going to leave this one slightly taller. Get it out of the way. Boy, it's very heavy. Quite satisfying to do though guys. And this big one as well. Basically guys, all these are a big leaf, and what we're going to see is that new leaves will come up from the top here and sprout out new growth. I know it looks very drastic, but it needs to be done. I wait until any danger of frost is over before cutting back the bananas, so that obviously in their weakened state they won't be attacked by frost. So it's the 5th of June today, so there's going to be nice sunny weather and no fear of frost. You can see why it was a jungle guys. There's so many pups have come up from the original plant, and that was the problem. It was causing too much darkness for the house. Let's just get on the other side. I think I'll leave these two just so there's some fresh leaves growing and energy returning back into the plant. As with this one, for the other banana, the tiger banana. So what I've left is 2 growing bananas, pups, so that we're still feeding the main plant, and one on the other one. And we'll see, it's Saturday the 5th of June today. We'll look tomorrow to see if there's any growth. There we are, guys, all the bananas cut back. I've left 2 pups on one plant still intact, just to give the main plant more energy, and also on our tiger banana I've left one as well. Once the new growth starts I may cut back these smaller pups, but I might leave them because they're not too big anyway. But there's the cuts on the larger one. As you can see, with a fine tooth saw, it's quite a clean cut. Guys, you may not believe this, but after just 1 hour of the banana being cut back, it's already growing a new leaf out. And this is repeated on all the bananas that I cut. It's amazing how they recover. Can you believe that? 5 hours after the bananas were cut back, they're now probably 5 or 6 centimetres tall. "24 hours after the bananas have been cut back, as you can see, new growth. Appearing in them all. It's amazing to see. "48 hours after the bananas were cut back, as you can see, they're all sprouting lovely. Some of them are probably 20 centimetres high now, just in 48 hours. And that one's starting to unravel. A new leaf. No harm done from cutting back all of the bananas. Okay, another view. 48 hours after the bananas were cut back. Here's my hand, just to give you some scale. It's amazing how the bananas grow back after being cut back. Okay, day 4 after cutting the banana plants back, and as you can see, they're doing extremely well. A lot of these shoots are up to 40-50 centimetres long. One of the leaves is already starting to unravel. they're all doing extremely well. There we are, a bit closer. 4 days after cutting the banana plants back. After just 1 week, guys, you can see all the bananas have their leaves out. Amazing recovery from the bananas being cut back or being trimmed. Here we are, 2 weeks after the bananas were cut back and trimmed. As you can see, they're all growing back nicely and doing extremely well. This is just after 2 weeks, guys, after being cut back. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to cut back banana plants. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody.